Hey everybody, it's Robin and welcome to the Robin's Nest. Today on my channel we are going to be making this super cool WWE themed wrestling cake, and because it's inspired by a video game, we're also going to be adding some PS4 logos around the sides. So this one's for all you gamers and all you wrestling fans. So let's get into it. So because our cake is a replica of a WWE wrestling ring, we are going to need a cake that is actually square shaped. But I don't have any square shaped pans, so I just picked up a couple of marble cakes in my 9 by 13 inch pan, and I've used a template to cut these down to the square shape that we need. So I'm just going to start by adding a little bit of buttercream to my cake board to secure my cake to my cake board, and then we're going to start filling our layers and do our crumb coat. Okay, so we get everything smoothed out and our edges and our corners are nice and sharp. So we're going to get this off to chill for a little bit, and then we're going to start coloring some black fondant and start making our 4 pillars for our ring. So for the pillars on our wrestling ring, we're just going to be making them out of a little bit of black fondant and some skewers. Now as you can see, I already made a few of them here, and they are hard and ready to use. So I'm just going to tear off a little piece and show you a quick demonstration of how I made them. So you're just going to take off a little piece, and you're going to soften that in your hands and make kind of a sausage shape. And now that I'm finished with those, I'm going to start cutting out all my little stencils for all the logos I'm going to place around the outside of the cake. Alright, so I finished with my fondant pillars and I've completed all of my stencil work, so we're almost finished. We just need to go grab our cake and get our final coat of icing put on. And while you're waiting, if you like what you've seen so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. So for our finishing coat of icing, we're going to be using a couple of different colors of fondant, and we're going to be applying that using the paneling technique. So I'm going to get this rolled out and get it cut to shape and start covering up our cake so we can start adding all our decorations. Okay, so I finished paneling my cake and I think that looks great. We're almost done. All I have left to do is build my rope system. So as you can see, I've punched some holes in my pillars for our rope. And today our rope is going to be made from spaghetti. Now I tried to find some rope candy, but I wasn't able to find any, so I figured this was my next best option. So I just took a little bit of red food color gel and painted them and let them air dry. So we're going to figure out how big we need these to be and cut these to size, and then we're going to start assembling everything. But before we do, I want to take my WWE symbol and we're going to place that in the middle of our ring and get it centered before everything gets in our way. There, I got my ropes on. Don't they look awesome? Okay, all we have left to do is add all our logos and then I can show you what it looks like. Well guys, here it is, and I think it looks wicked. What do you guys think? I have to say, I'm not a huge fan of wrestling, but I'm definitely a huge fan of this cake. It was so much fun to make, and I hope I get to make lots more. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thanks for watching, guys.